A case that works perfectly in an office can completely fail on a flight deck. That's why the environment matters just as much as the equipment inside. Hi, I'm Amber with Custom Case Pros. We engineer custom case and foam solutions designed for the real-world environments your gear has to survive, from office settings to combat zones and everywhere in between. Every case needs to be engineered for where it's going to be used. The same case that protects gear in a warehouse might not survive outdoors, on a ship, or in extreme weather. On one Navy project, this was especially clear. The cases were being used on a ship's flight deck. That meant salt fog, constant wind, tight walkways, and sailors carrying gear while wearing gloves. Every one of those conditions shaped our design. We had to weigh the case, foam, and hardware down to the ounce to make sure sailors could lift and carry them safely. For the handles, we selected Arctic mitten handles so they could still carry the case while wearing bulky gloves. And instead of a hinge lid, which could have turned the case into a sail in high winds, we designed a removable lid with a tether so it stayed secure without risking safety. This is why technical packaging is so different from buying a case off the shelf. Cases aren't just containers. They're tools that have to function in extreme environments. Whether it's heat, cold, vibration, altitude, or weather exposure, every environmental factor should drive the design. That's the kind of engineering detail that keeps equipment and people safe. So when you're selecting a case, don't just ask if your gear will fit, ask if the case is built for the environment it's going into. At Custom Case Pros, we engineer every case with the end user and the conditions in mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more buying tips that help you choose cases and foam with confidence.